Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I've been looking at. We have resistance, resistance giving me a downtrend like this. We're on the daily time frame right now. We actually broke out of that resistance right here. We didn't quite like get a breakout, but we did break that trend line, and now we're trending to the upside. The other thing I'm looking at right now is we have support, support, support. I'm watching this trend line right here, and as long as we can stay above this trend line, then I think we're going to be on an uptrend. Right now it looks like we are getting some, not resistance, but we are kind of meeting a previous resistance right here, which is why I have this line like this. If we could break this line sitting at around 114, maybe 115, something like that, I think, yeah, let's say 115, because that's like the top right here. Then maybe we can go to the next previous resistance, which is sitting at around 141 approximately, that Fibonacci retracement level that I'd been talking about in my videos. I hadn't really been making a video. We've been moving and new job and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try to start making more videos. But I think the next thing that I'm really looking for is for us to break this trend line right here. If we could break out of that, then maybe we could come up to 141. And the other thing is it's actually like kind of wedge pattern, not a wedge pattern, a channel pattern, because we have this bottom right here. I was looking at this bottom and I was thinking if we break this bottom, then maybe we'll start going back down, but we got support on it and we're pushing to the upside. So we could also target from the top to the bottom of this channel. So we do something like this, top to the bottom, drag this to the breakout, and that gives us a target of approximately 0.13541. So those are the two kind of potential targets that I'm looking at if we could break this trend line right here. The next one, 0.135, something like that, or maybe 0.141. Let's see how far we can ride this trend line going to the upside. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna try to start making more videos. Like I said, I've been kind of busy, but I'm starting to get settled back in. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.